Hi guys and welcome to Capture Prod, when polygons meet desire. My name is Hikko and today we are going to look at how to create a basic spring. At first glance it seems like a simple task, but there are a few important details to keep in mind. To create a twisted object in Blender we can use the Screw Modifier. But the question is, what kind of geometry should we apply it to? If we create a cylinder and add the Screw Modifier, it will affect the entire surface and create messy, unusable shapes. So we need simple geometry. We'll start with the basic circle. Scale it down to the diameter you need. When creating it, you can reduce the vertices to 8. Next, move the circle away from the center in object mode. Then apply the Screw Modifier. At first, with the default settings, it will look terrible, that's okay. Set the axis to Y. Adjust the screw value to control the height of the coils. Use the angle parameter to control how tightly the spring is twisted. With iterations, you define how many times the geometry repeats. Don't forget about the smoothness settings. There are two parameters, steps viewport and render. Each one controls the smoothness in its own display mode. The bigger the twist angle, the more steps you'll need. As long as the modifier is not applied, you can still change the profile of the springs by scaling it with the S key. If you move it outward or inward, you change the overall diameter. This is a simple example of creating a spring. For faster workflow, there are also add-ons with ready-made curves or more complex geometry. In the next part, we'll modify the final coils of the spring. They can have different shapes, depending on the type of suspensions they're used in. Thanks for watching, I hope this video helped you level up your Blender skills. See you in the next one!